Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we are going to look at Rock Tech Lithium just because someone asked for it, because I'm not invested in this company. So this company has not done well. It has crashed more than half. So let's see where they stand. Now, the old Rock Tech Lithium, I looked at it 1 year before, 2021. I didn't continue investing in it because I went to Sigma Lithium, which has done much better. So let's see what has happened since then. So basically, this company is building two things: a converter and a mine, a spodumene mine. So this is the feasibility study of the converter, and so they are using spodumene and converting it to lithium. So as the spodumene price goes up, they will have less NPV, less revenue. And as the lithium hydroxide price rises, they will have more NPV. So this was the old one. Since then, they have released two things: a feasibility study on Georgia Lake, the spodumene mine, and they have released a bankable project study on the converter, converting spodumene to lithium. These were just preliminary results, but I have now updated it to the bankable results. So let's see what the difference is. So here you see that from 500 to 1000 spodumene, it goes from 300 to 0. In the new study, so from 500 to 1000, it goes to 0. Here, from 500 to 100 to 1000, it goes from a very high level to a little bit less level. So it looks better on this chart on the spodumene side. And on the lithium hydroxide price, the 10,000 is at 0, 20,000 is at 1 billion. And here, 10,000 is below 0. So based on this alone, I say that the feasibility study has worsened because they cannot make money when the lithium price goes below 20,000, while in the old feasibility study, they could still make money, right? So the feasibility study has worsened for Rock Tech Lithium. Also, the converter life was 20 years. Now it's 25 years. So the NPV is not the same because this is over 25 years and this is over 20 years. So you need to divide it, normalize it more here. Divide by 5. Here only divide by 4. So that's also worse. Then we have the capex, 560 million capex. Now it's 700 million capex. And the subsidy is 150 million, maybe, because they are not approved yet. Subsidies, okay, are a bit higher, 100 million to 150 million. But the capex has also risen by more than 100 million. So that's also not good. So we have inflation and the feasibility study has worsened. You can also see that here. So this is the chart on the converter. This has now gone to this. So it has declined. And the price is actually the same. Also around 5,000, 74,000. So feasibility study has worsened. Now let's look at the Georgia Lake project. Georgia Lake project is actually not that bad. So at current prices of 5,000 spodumene, we have 1.6 billion NPV over 10 years. So this is a 10-year mine. You can divide it by 2. So that's a value of about 1 billion, which is actually a very good project. If the spodumene price stays at 5,000, then the NPV is normalized at 1 billion, while the current price of Rock Tech Lithium market cap is 250 million. So there's upside a double just on the Georgia Lake project itself. Initial capex is at 200 million. So 200 million gives you an NPV of 1 billion. Actually, I like this project. Well, of course, at 5,000 spodumene, I think this is able to generate capex of 200 million going to 1 billion. So that's a very good project. Problem is they don't have the money yet. They don't have the money. They don't have 200 million. So what's the balance sheet? They only have 40 million cash with some debt, so only 30 million cash. So they have no money. They will need to dilute shareholders, and quite a lot because the market cap is only 200 million. So they need a lot of debt and a lot of dilution just to build this Georgia Lake mine. But I think this project is pretty okay. However, look at the timelines. Georgia Lake is going to go in production in 2025. It's probably not even permitted yet. Still needs agreements and construction. So 2025, what will be the spodumene price in 2025? Let's look at Sigma Lithium. In 2025, the spodumene price will be, this is 2023, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it will be around the same as today, so probably 5,000 spodumene, right? But then it will drop in the coming years to 2,000. So let's say it will be around 3,000 for Rock Tech Lithium. And at 3,000, that would give only 800 million value divided by 2 because it's a 10-year mine life. So only 400 million value. So not a lot of value to be created here for Rock Tech Lithium. Initial capital of 200 million going to 400 million. There's some upside, maybe 50% upside, but you need to wait until 2026 for that to happen. So a lot of time lost if you invest in Rock Tech Lithium. But it's a good project because look at this. Going from here, that's the converter only. With Georgia in it, you have huge upside at 5,000 spodumene because let's say we go back to 3,000 because we know lithium is going to come down in price. 3,000. Well, actually, it goes up here. And that's because this is with the converter in it. But of course, this here is also coming down. Let's say it goes to 40,000. That's the lithium hydroxide price. Then this will drop to here. So it will cut into half. So from 4 billion to 2 billion, maybe even 1.5 billion. So what's the upside here? This is NPV over 25 years. So you need to divide it by 5 to get a real value on this, to normalize the NPV. So it's about maybe 400 million worth right now. Market cap 250 million, 400 million, maybe an upside of 50% from here. So that's not a lot. And this is the market cap right now, but there will be a lot of dilution. Why? Look at the capex of this converter. The capex is, well, this is the old feasibility study. The new feasibility study is this one. And the capex is 700 million. Maybe subsidies, but it's not signed yet. Then it will be 600 million. Where are they going to get 600 million in cash? Market cap is only 200 million. They will dilute the hell out of you, and this market cap will probably go to 500 million. So 500 million, and the upside is only 400 million. So I don't see any upside in Rock Tech Lithium. This is a dead horse. And the reason for that is high capex with a lot of dilution. And lithium prices will probably drop in 2026, 2027, when Rock Tech Lithium starts production, 2027, 8, because there will be delays. I'm 100% sure there will be delays. So it's going to be 2027, 8 that they will go in production. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. What will be the price? It will be probably 60% lower. I don't even know in 6 years if lithium is needed, because they will probably go to salt batteries instead of lithium, and nobody will use lithium anymore by then. So I would never buy this company. It's too far away. Prices are going to go to maybe 35,000. Spodumene will go to maybe 2,000. And there is not a lot of upsides with the dilution added here, and also the time that you have lost, 5 years that you're going to lose. So, yep, this was the update. I'm not going to buy this, and I'll see you in the next video.